Hi guys, Alan here, JMac Fitness. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome. This is I'm going to change your life fitness wise, yeah. So this is a 15-minute total body kettlebell workout. You're going to get cardio, you're going to build strength, you're going to lose fat with this workout here. Very intense, short and intense, but you will get breathers in it. It's a very rewarding workout. So just stick with me, follow along. Make sure you do a warm-up, it's in the description below, and at the end of the workout you can do a cool down as well, which is also in the description from my channel. And before we go into this, and before I explain it, is what I want you to do is this: subscribe, like, and ding the bell for me, please. And that will make me support, you're helping support the channel, which will make me provide more videos and workouts for you, yeah? So the workout format is very simple. There's 8 exercises, 8 kettlebell exercises. You'll do 30 on, 5 off. After each round you get a 40 seconds break and you do it again. You just do it 3 times and that's it. At the end of it then, dig into my channel, do a cool down, and that's you. You're sorted for the day. So follow along, 10 seconds, we're ready to go, and thanks again. Okay, 5 seconds. First one is a kettlebell swing. Remember, it's a hip swing up and back. I'll show you. So in between legs, arms are just chains, and you're going to push out on this. Make sure you don't hyperextend on the top of it, and let it go, okay? So the hips are doing the work, the glutes are doing the work, everything, yeah? Keep going halfway. Remember, you could use a lighter kettlebell than I'm using, but whatever you feel comfortable with. You don't have to use a kettlebell at all. You can use a dumbbell. You'll be able to do all these workouts with that as well. Okay, 5-second rest. Goblet squat. So goblet squat, we're just going to hold her up here, like so, and then we're going to come down into a deep squat and back up. Nice and slow, and back up. It's not about speed in this. The core is getting worked, legs are getting worked, everything. And you're going into cardio because you have little rest in these. But you will feel it, guys, yeah? Keep going. 5 seconds. Okay, now what I want you to do is foot taps. So you're just going to tap from foot to foot. That's it. There. Nice and steady. Just going to get that cardio again. Keeping the heart rate up. Give me a break so we can put it in on the rest of the exercise. Yeah. If you want to go fast with that, you can tip like so. Some of the footballers will do it. Okay. You can do this with anything. Kettlebell won't move. Okay. So keep going. And then from that position there, we're going to go into a crab press with the kettlebell. So we're moving in, and then one press we're going to move across. So the core is getting worked, chest is activated each side, and we're using the kettlebell. Keep going. Push it out. That's it, excellent stuff. Okay guys, next one is a thruster. Okay, hold it to your chest, drop down, and then over the head. That's it. Drop down and over the head. Make sure knees all the way, elbows to the knees, and keep going. Keep going. That's it. That's it. Pushing it out. Oh. Excellent stuff. Okay guys, curl. So what we're going to do here, you're going to curl it, bend over row, and then back. So curl and row, and then back into that squat position. Curl and row. Here we go. Curl and row. That's it. Curl and row. Curl and row. That's it. Next one, half squat 180s. So we're coming around, half squat position, and we're just going to transfer this through the legs. Real core workout here. Feeling it here, guys. Keep going. Chest up. Keep going, push it out. Okay, next then, hit the whole body Troy press. So put the kettlebell down. If it doesn't work with the kettlebell, you can just on the ground and do a diamond press up, yeah? For your modification. So 2 hands are on it. The triceps are doing most of the work. It's also working the chest and to keep going. You can modify it down to the knees, push it out. And then we get a 40-second rest. So 30 seconds now. So remember, take your time with them. With the curl and press as well, curl and row, very simple. And one of them, the 180, the chest is out, we're bringing it around. The thruster, chest is up and you're bringing the shoulder blades back and up and down. And the swing is always a hip hinge, yeah? Hip hinge up. Okay, 10 seconds guys. We go straight back into it and we get this workout done. You can see I'm sweating, so tough little workout, yeah? Kettlebell swing. Do the front this time. Here we go. Oh, that's it. Hips are doing the work. I'm pausing. I'm not hyperextending on the top of the move. I'm just keeping it calm. Keep going. Okay, next one is a goblet squat. Remember to keep it high, going a little bit wider than normal, and sit right into it. Okay, like so, and up and down. Keep going. Halfway. Keep going guys, keep going, that's it. Excellent stuff. Push it out. Nice and deep each time, all the time. Okay, I'm going to tap the foot. Do fast, all the footballers, no problem to this. Here we go. That's it. Keep it. Heart rate's flying. That's it. Push. Halfway, come on. Okay. I'm going to do a crab press. Here we go. Kettlebell doesn't move, you move. Core engage all the time. Push it out. All the way down, all the way up. 5 seconds. That's it. Okay, thrusters. The horns. Here we go. All the way down and all the way up. That's it. Here we go. Keep going. Keep going. Push. Push it out. And keep going. And down. Okay, curl and row. I'm going to slip bend the knees. Here we go. Curl and then row. Here we go. Curl and then row. And then out. Curl and then row. That's it. Half squat. And use your hands as levers. Row and curl. Halfway and row. Curl and row. Come on. And then curl. Keep going. And row. And curl. That's it. Right. I'm squatting 180s. So bend the knees, head out, chest up, looking. Keep going. Push it out. That's it. Excellent stuff. Okay, try press. Up and down. That's it. Up and down. Keep going. Get them triceps to be on fire. Go modify it if you have to. Okay. 40 seconds break. Then our last round. Well done, guys. Tough one. Yeah. Keep going. Halfway. Ooh. Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going. Started early. Want to get these out of the way. Make sure your form doesn't go. Let's push it out. Everybody. Wow. Don't be messing. What I'm saying by that, you can let go of the hand. It's not doing any work up there. Just don't let go of it and go through the window. In this case, the camera. Yeah. Right. Goblet squat. Melting here. Here we go. Oh. Oh. That's it. Oh. That's it. Keep going. That's it. Push it out. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Core working. I can feel it. Keep going. Oh, push out. Excellent. Okay. Tap foots. Doink. Here we go. Push it out. Woo! I'm born. All the calories. And strong, toned, everything you want. Yeah? Come on. Push it out. Keep going. Oh, rest. When you crab press, bring it back. Do it this side. So push all the way down. And across, core's working. And back. Oh. And back. Oh. And back. Push it out. And back. Keep going. All the way down. Press. Ah. Right, thrusters. Not missing out. All the way down. There we go. Come on. 10 seconds. I'm getting it. I'm done. I'm done. Okay. Curl and row. Remember, stay low. Curl and then row. That's it. Curl and then row. Curl and row. Curl and then row. Curl. Slippy. and then row. Keep going. Curl. And row. And row. Keep going, keep going. And curl. Okay. Half squat 180s. Here we go. That's it. We're nearly there, guys. Just one more. So well done. Well done in this round. Super stuff. Keep going. Everything you want in a workout. Come on, keep going. Push. Oh. We try press. Oh. Push it up. Oh. All the way down. All the way up. Keep going, guys. And up. Okay. Okay, guys. That's the kettlebell workout. 15 minutes. As you can see, hits everything. Remember, modify it by using a lighter weight. Taking a handy until you get used to the exercise. Make sure you warm up and cool down prior and after the workout, which is all down there. Thanks for supporting the channel. Please subscribe and like, and any other workout you want, put it in the comments. And thanks very much, guys. Thanks for your energy and thanks for your support. Cheers.